My mom's pretty.
In the old country.
Did you see her mom?
I ain't seen nobody pretty yet.
Did you see your daughter, the young girl?
No. I see some girls, she's like Alice, right?
Was she Indian? Like my age?
I see some late.
This
Mid-age.
is my car, right?
They,
I don't know.
how can they have a business number beyond Disney? That's why.
What is that eating?
Hi, Zach. It's Mattisen Brown with Wireless Roofing and General Contracting. How are you? Oh, hey, Troy. How you doing? Is Zach available, please? Yeah, I'm just calling. I got to set up a time to come over and go over some of the final numbers I got in from Allstate.
Oh.
And what's tomorrow afternoon looking for you guys?
Tomorrow afternoon we have an auction. Later on tomorrow.
Okay. Then why don't we shoot for that time, and I'll give you a call when I'm about 15, 30 minutes away from your location. Thank you, Joy. Bye-bye.
I think that's
Is
a
Troy
Indian too. This is
I
silly.
don't think I've ever met Troy.
I think that's her brother.
He's kind of older than just a high school kid.
He's not a high school kid. He's in college.
That's what